Apsis Enterprise Pet Limited, established in 2002. Apsis Enterprise Pet Limited is located in Yancheng, Jiangsu province, with convenient transportation access, which is close to Shanghai, Ningbo, Qingdao Port. Apsis occupies an area of 10,000 square meters and has over 100 employees as one of the oldest art material manufacturers. Apsis was the first to acquire BSCl accreditation. Meanwhile, Apsis is the golden cooperator of Alibaba, the member of Jiangsu Culture Industry Association. Apsis is a manufacturer and trader who specialized in research, development and production of acrylic color, oil color, watercolor, finger paint, fabric paint, gouache color, tempera paint, 3D paint, soft chalk, sketched canvas, artist brush, art set, etc. All of our products have strong competitive power and a certain superiority on the market. Apsis products are mainly exported to Europe and America. They passed the EN 7139 and REACH. As one of the oldest art material manufacturers, Apsis has passed the certification of the ISO 9001-2000 International Quality System, the SGS-CTI and TUV tests. In China, Apsis was the first to meet the highest test standard of Europe. Apsis runs with the principles excellent quality, competitive price, and perfect service. According to the three principles, we have established a long-term cooperation with many famous companies around the world, such as Stelex, LIDL, LD, GIFl, EDCO, TCHIBO, Spirit, etc. Apsis has strong product development and innovation ability and will contribute to introduce new technology, research and develop new products to meet the requirement of the wide-speed customers. Apsis service is humanized and you can design the products as you like. If you are interested in any of our products or would like to discuss a customer order, please feel free to contact with us. We are looking forward to forming successful business relationship with new clients around the world in the near future.